to get that 4. So the only possibility for you to actually put in there is 2. Because 2 squared is 4. So that means s squared is s times s. So that means for your square, length times height is 4, which means that both your length and your length and your width. So your length and your width are both 2 meters. So we'll go with length here is 2 meters. Your width is 2 meters. The reason that they're the same is because you have a square base. Square sides are all the same length. So now it tells you the surface area of the prism is 48 meters squared. So it's telling you what are the dimensions of the prism. So that if you already know the surface area, you know the length, and you know the width, what's the height? So basically this question is asking you, how do you find the height if you already know the surface area, the length, and the width? So I'm just going to put a question mark here for height, because that's the one we have to find. So just like anything, you're going to sub it into your formula. Okay, so we're going to substitute in. So your length you know is 2, but you don't know your height now, so you can leave that as times h. Okay? Length times width you do know is 2 times 2. And width times height, your width is 2, your height you're not sure yet, that's what you're calculating. So you put 2 times h. So now we're going to do the brackets first. 2 times h can be written as 2h. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times h again can be written as 2h. So again, multiply the 2 into each of the brackets. So 2 times 2h is 4h. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 2h, just like this one, is 4h. Okay? And just on this side of the equation, we already know the surface area equals 48 meters squared. So just put that here for all of them. Okay? So just like our isolation, we want to put variables on one side and numbers on the other. So let's do that. We have 48 by itself, but we have an 8 in a mixture of variables. So we're going to group the two variables first. We have 4h plus 4h gives us 8h. So I'm just going to scroll down so you guys can see. So we're going to group these two together. We're going to put this 8 onto this side. So because you're bringing it across the equal sign, you're going to put minus 8. So 4 plus 4 now is 8. They both have an h attached to it. 8h. Okay? So now we're going to do the subtraction on this side first. So 48 minus 8 is 40. And this side stays the same, so you haven't done anything. Okay? So now, whenever you have 8h, so a number and a letter together, that means they're being multiplied. In order to get rid of this 8, so you just have variables, you're going to divide both sides by 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1, so you can cross them out. And 40 divided by 8 is 5. So 5 equals h. So now we know that our height is 5. So if we draw the rectangle again,
seconds.
okay, so that's 2 meters, 2 meters, and now you know your height is 5 meters. Okay? So hopefully these questions all helped you out. And we'll see you tomorrow with a cool escape room. Alright?